Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on Python programming language. The topic that we are going to discuss today is tuples. Tuples are ordered immutable sequences. They are defined using parentheses or commas. Tuples are efficient for fixed collections of heterogeneous data. They offer faster iteration than lists in some cases. Creating tuples. Basic creation. A name to the variable my tuple is equal to, within parentheses we need to give the values. Here we have 1 comma hello comma 3.14. Single item, single tuple is equal to 42. Comma is crucial. Empty tuple is equal to nothing inside the parentheses. Mixed data types, Alice 30, New York. Within the parentheses, this can also be given. Tuple assignment, one line assignment, element mapping, example exact match. Let's discuss one by one. One line assignment assign multiple variables from a tuple in a single line. Each tuple elements maps directly to a corresponding variable. Like this. Example name age is equal to Bob 25 assigns Bob to name and 25 to age. Exact match. Exact matches. The number of variables must precisely match the tuple elements. Practical tuple assignment variable swapping. Initial values A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. Tuple swap can be achieved by A comma B is equal to B comma A. Result is A becomes 10 and B becomes 5. This method is more concise and readable than using a temporary variable. It is a classic example of tuple assignment's elegance. Advanced unpacking the asterisk operator. Use asterisks to collect remaining elements into a list. This allows for flexible unpacking. First, rest, last is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Output first is first, rest is 2, 3, 4, last is 5. The feature is especially useful for handling variable length data, common in processing large datasets. Tuple unpacking in loops. Efficient iteration. Unpack items directly within a for loop. Dictionary items for key value in my dictionary items. Coordinate list for x, y, z in points list. Enhanced readability provides direct access to sub-elements, improving code clarity. Tuples as written values concept bundled output functions package multiple values into a single tuple. Implicit creation Python automatically creates a tuple when multiple values are created or to be written. Example definition get data return user 123 true. Structured results provides rich structured outputs from functions with ease, returning multiple data points. Real world example database queries. DB interaction functions querying databases often return tuples. Single row cursor dot fetch 1 returns one row as a tuple. Multiple rows cursor dot fetch all returns a list of tuples. So these are the database queries you can apply and get the results. Example user ID, username, email is equal to DB query. Conclusion power of tuples. Immutable ensures data integrity for constant values. Efficient assignment streamlines variable unpacking and swapping. Multi-value returns simplifies functions returning structured data. Widespread use key in Python's standard library and frameworks. Thus, we come to the end of the session. Let us discuss another topic in the upcoming video lectures. Thank you all.